Jerry from Bartlett's. This is an amazing ski. It is the Blizzard Bushwacker. The soft pieces now at the end of the day are sort of getting really slushy and everything else. This ski just absolutely carves through everything at speed, short turns, long turns. I mean, it's the most amazing ski. I've skied pretty much all day, to be honest with you. So for somebody that is really confident, is a good aggressive skier that's sort of got some weight about them, this will be absolutely superb. It's £515, no binding, but it really is definitely very much worth the money.